Hi there, my name's Dan Abbott. I'm a writer and musician living in Oakland, California. Welcome to Patreon. Now, if you're wondering what Patreon is and how it works, it's a fundraising platform that allows for regular, sustained support. Whereas something like Kickstarter is like running a race. You have a specific campaign goal, you meet the goal, and then it's over. Patreon is more like running a marathon. So every time I put out a work of art, whether it be a short story, an essay, a poem, or a song, you contribute a small amount, whatever you're comfortable with. It could be $1, $5, $3,000, whatever's a drop in the bucket for you. Now, I've been a writer and songwriter as long as I can remember. You may or may not be familiar with my musical projects, Bobby Joe Ebola and the Children McNuggets, the Hobo Goblins, Day of the Zombie, my rock opera. I've been doing this for 20 years, but my first love is writing, and I'm hoping to do a little more of that. So having a regular audience out there will really help motivate me because I'll know that people are waiting to hear and read what I'm doing. So I hope you'll go check out my account and see some of the perks and find a level that works for you. The $3,000 level is very popular, I hear. But in all seriousness, I appreciate your support because I really would like to just do this all the time. And every dollar you contribute gets me a little closer to that goal. Thanks a lot.